Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at visitjobs.com. So today I'll be showing you how to make money with your WhatsApp from Nigeria. Anyway, but today I'll be showing you how you can maximize the power of your audience by sharing the way you share normal content to your status. People view your status every day. You can utilize that to making money every day. I have a company, I know a website that can pay you as much as 1,000. If you're making 1,000 every day on your status by sharing content, let's say in a week you'll be making like 7,000, then in a month is 30,000, just like that, by putting content on your status, then people will view it. So if today is the first time of visiting my channel at visitjobs.com, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime I post an awesome video like this. So in Busy Joe Hustle, we normally we produce content around how to make money online, digital marketing, how to blog, how to build websites, email marketing, and a whole lot of that. So if you are interested in any of these topics, do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified. So let me move over to my browser and show you how you can be making a cool 1,000. Okay, so welcome back. So the name of the website is drove.com.ng. I'll be dropping the link of this site on the description box below. So you can go and search on Google, search on drove.com.ng. So this is their official website. And they also have a mobile app, an Android app, an iOS app. So you can download that from your Google store. So what this website do basically, there are two options for this website. You can sign up as an advertiser because they're advertising company. They help you get views around Nigeria. You can promote your business through WhatsApp status. So you can sign up as an advertiser, you promote your business across thousands of their users in Nigeria, and they are also in Ghana and other African countries. So this is a very good and company. So you can see what they do. So okay. They are building future of payment and advert solution. So this they advertise across WhatsApp status. So and for startup, this is what you can reach 2,000 views via WhatsApp status. This is a free e-flyer design, 2 to 5% engagement and clicks. So it's a good way and a cheap way to advertise to Nigerian audience. Just they have 30,000 for 7 days. You can subscribe as a business. But our aim is for us to make money through this, not just to be an advertiser. So let's go down and for for affiliates, people that want to earn money. So as you can see, earn passive income with your WhatsApp enabled photos. Basically, what you do here is that when you sign up on this platform, you have people that place their adverts on this platform. What you need to do is just to copy those adverts, put it on your status. Once you a minimum view before you can get paid is from 42 views. Once you have 42 views from 500, they will pay you 100 naira per status. Once you have up to 500 views, they will pay you 100 naira per status, and you can put as many status as you want. You can put as many products on your status as you want. Then for people that have WhatsApp status, WhatsApp TV and all that, you can utilize this too. These people are paying from 1,000 views to 5k views. They will pay you a whole sum of 1,000 per status. So let's say you have like 5 status of this product on your WhatsApp status. That's a big money. So you can sign up, you just click on sign up. It's very easy to sign up with them. Just click on sign up. Then they will direct you. You can go and download their mobile app and sign up. Very easy. You sign up and it's very easy to make money with them. So you can decide to make money using this great opportunity if you're in Nigeria. And how it work for advertisers, you create a content, you can get a graphic designer, it creates a content for you. Then you customize your content, then you reach your audience, then post to earn. So for people that want to advertise their products. So this is a great tool for you to grow your business in Nigeria and other African countries. As you can see, that in Nigeria, they are in Ghana, Kenya, and South Africa for now. So, and you can even contact them through their either their phone number or their support email. So this how you can make money using your WhatsApp status in Nigeria. If you find any usefulness in this video, please do well to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Also remember to subscribe to my channel at visualhustle.com. Thanks for watching this video.